Hello friends, I am Dr. Vinod, pediatrician from Muzaffarpur and President of Rotary Amrapali. As you all know, today is World Pneumonia Day. This is a program celebrated all over the world by the healthcare provider. Pneumonia is the most common cause of death below the age of 5 years in children, and it can be early diagnosed and treated properly to bring down the mortality in children. All over the world, this is the most common cause of mortality in pediatric patients below 5 years of age. So, to raise awareness among the common people, we are just trying to do this kind of awareness program so that common people will know what is pneumonia and how it can be treated and how the death rate can be minimized. So, for common people or for the baseline health worker, there has been a very common guideline to understand the pneumonia. Simply by counting the respiratory rate in 1 minute, you can diagnose pneumonia. You all know physiological respiratory rate below 2 months of age, it is up to 60, means above 60 breath per minute is called tachypnea, means increased respiratory rate, and that is one feature of pneumonia. From the age of 2 months to 1 year, if the respiratory rate is above 50, then it is a sign of pneumonia, and from 1 year to 5 years, if the respiratory rate is above 40, then it is a sign of pneumonia. So, increase in respiratory rate along with fever and usually associated with cough is feature of pneumonia. Along with that, there is retraction chest. In our local language, people call it pajra marta hai ya phasli chalta hai. Phasli usually they mean the ribs. So, there is either subcostal retraction or intercostal retraction or suprasternal retraction, sometimes associated with nasal flaring. So, I will put you on video to let the common people understand how there is retraction of chest, how can you easily diagnose a case of pneumonia, and the basic health provider can give a simple antibiotic based on the diagnosis. And if the patient seems to be more serious, then a timely referral to a proper place. It means a timely referral to the specialist like pediatrician can be one of the basic requirement to minimize the death rate, because pneumonia as such doesn't cause death in all the cases. But if it is of severe category, like the pneumonia is associated with lethargy, dullness in baby, there is complete refusal of feed, there is convulsion, then these are the features of complicated pneumonia, what we call very severe pneumonia, and in those cases urgent referral to the pediatrician is a must for proper care of the patient. And sometimes, not in all cases, but sometimes very severe pneumonia may need ventilator support also, but it is not that common association. But occasionally we come across this situation that the retraction is so severe that we need to put the patient on ventilator support. So, early diagnosis, proper treatment and early referral in case of severe pneumonia is the key to success. Other than that, proper nutritional part should also be taken care of. Most of the babies in our setup, especially in Bihar, are malnourished, they are undernourished, they do not get proper complementary feed like homemade easily affordable feed, and that is why they are having low weight also. And in those situations, any illness, maybe diarrhea, maybe pneumonia, they all become very serious in undernourished baby, and that leads to increased mortality rate. So, I hope you have some basic idea of pneumonia. It's cough, fever and retraction chest. If you come across this kind of thing, then you must be cautious that this will be a case of pneumonia, and you have to report it to the healthcare provider. Thank you.